Hi everybody, it's Lori Zachary with LA Thrift Junkie, and I am coming with you today with a haul from a company that I supplement my sourcing with called Get Dressed for Less. So this is a liquidation company, and it is $139 shipped for 18 to 20 pieces. I got 2 boxes, and I'm going to do 2 hauls, okay? So this is the very first box that I got, and I'm going to tell you everything that I got, okay? So the first thing is a pair of Abercrombie and Fitch pants. Okay, I'm not really sure. They're kind of like athleisure style pants, like in a khaki collar. They're also lined. They're elastic waist, you guys, and they are a size large. Okay, so just a pair of, and they're very good quality. I would say these are almost like Field and Stream work. I'm not real sure what these would be considered. Next thing I love. So it is from the Edinburgh, made in the British Isles. You guys, look at how beautiful this sweater is. Forgive me, I don't have it buttoned, but it is so very pretty. Wool blend. Look at this thing. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at the beautiful collars. Okay, and let me see here real quick. I can tell it has wool in it, but I didn't even look to see. Mohair. Oh, okay, 40% mohair. So just a super nice sweater. I saw a lot of those. I'm going to move my phone over here, you guys. I'm actually sharing the Poshmark while talking to you guys. Using their automated tool, not a bot. Okay, so this is nice. It's Anne Klein. It's kind of like a boxy fit style upgraded like t-shirt, or somewhere between a t-shirt and a sweatshirt. Okay, and it just has this muddled collar. I really like this. It's a size small Anne Klein. Once again, I'm rolling all over the place. I don't have carpet here at the store, so I'm rolling. Okay, here's something new with tag from Stitch Fix. It's Daniel Rain. This is super cute, very bohemian. Okay, we have the floral detail. Look at the crochet lace on the sleeve twice. Oh my goodness, with the elastic there on the bottom. A nice boxy, or no, is that a boxy fit? Yeah, a boxy fit, but around him. Again, brand new with tag from Stitch Fix. Okay, this is Free People, so that's nice. Free People. It's always good to have Free People in the store, even though for me, I honestly can sell Walmart sometimes for more than what I can Free People. However, I'm telling you, Free People will bring people to your closet just by listing it. It's some kind of magical juju. Okay, so this is a really nice top, actually. Could be great for year-round. It's kind of like between a purple and a brown, and it's got this metallic gray. It's got this great big cow neck, or it could be worn like off-shoulder t-shirt. Super long sleeve. It is lightweight, so that you can kind of see it's got like semi-sheer. Those stripes that are going this way here, those are semi-sheer. And you guys, again, it's new with tag Free People. That is great. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, we have here some Lululemon. What? Lululemon in a liquidation box? What the heck? So these are capris. I'm not sure of the style. They're a size 2, so they're itsy teensy tiny. Oh my gosh, like this would fit on like my calf, right? But someone out there that's that tiny, they need to have workout clothes too. Okay, this is also new with tag. New with tag Chicos. Look how pretty this dress is. It feels like silk. Is it silk? I gotta look before I show you guys. You know, sometimes I say things are silk and then I look and it's polyester. So let's look and take a peek. And, no, wait a minute. And 100% polyester. It can fool me, right? I don't wear a lot of silk. But it is so very soft and so pretty and brand new with tags. Chico is a brand that I sell quite often, especially on eBay. We have a drawstring waist. It's a midi length, maybe even maxi length. Let me stand up here. Oh yeah, that's a maxi length. This is something that'd be great for like a cruise or some kind of like cute date night. How pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I don't even know what brand it is. I don't even care already. It's also new with tag, New York and Company. You guys, this is gorgeous. Look at this little faux wrap dress. Or is it a real wrap? Even better. Oh my gosh, it is a real wrap dress. You guys, look at the, I'm going to stand up. We're standing up for this one. Look at the little flutter sleeves. The chartreuse green. It comes down into all these ruffles. Look at how precious this dress is. That is stunning. That's going to look so good on the mannequin. I'm excited for that one. Okay, Lily Pulitzer. What? Lily Pulitzer blazer. And it's nice and thick. Barbie core even. One button with a little bit of lightweight shoulder pads. It's in a size small. Look, it says, what does that say all over the inside? I don't know. Orange. I don't know. I don't know what it says, but it's super cute. Hey, a nice blazer jacket from Lily Pulitzer. Oh my gosh, there's so many good brands in this. I'm excited. What do we have here? Another new with tag piece, Calvin Klein. Brand new with tags. Look at it. Look at it. It is so cute. Look at the ruffle sleeves. What do we have going on here? Oh, these are just like the things that go on the hanger, right? To keep the dress on. They're just hooked. Okay, look at it. It has a belt. Look at the ruffles. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. This would be perfect for like a bridal shower or like for your honeymoon. Just a little sundress, date night. I mean, just perfect for summer. Okay, let's see here. What do we have here? Another new tag piece from Nordstrom, it says. See what brand it is. I'll figure it out, you guys, eventually. Okay, so the brand is Maggie London. It is a size 4, and it's a cute little floral dress. So it has like a high neck. What do we have here? Just some pleating. Okay, it has elastic waist. And I would say, yeah, I would say it goes past the knee, but not very far past the knee. Okay, so we have some cute spring pieces, which is great because I start listing spring in the middle of January. Okay, what do we have here? A pair of dress pants, J. Crew, favorite fit, size 12. You guys, you know there's J. Crew and then there's J. Crew, like very well made J. Crew. And that's what these feel like, very high quality. So it's just some khaki dress pants. Okay, straight leg. We have the seam, looks like a mid-rise. Okay, and they are women's. And what do I see with my little eyes? Is it the matching jacket? It is. Size 12 matching jacket. Once again, high quality. J. Crew blazers always do very, very well for me. So I'm excited to see that in here. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. That is not what this. I threw this earlier in here. I apologize. I was in my stock room and threw something this direction. Okay, so this is it Under Armour? Under Armour. Yeah, Under Armour, new with tags, size small. Look at the cute little athletic. Oh my gosh, look at those collars. That's gorgeous. Okay, what do we have here? Brand new with tag, once again, Pistola. What? Pistola jeans are very expensive new. It shows the style number on here, so they'll be great to look for stock photos for those of you that do that. They are called the Charlie High Rise Straight Pistola, and you guys, they have these wonderful hem, and it's straight leg, not skinny, so even better. That's what's more in fashion current right now. Okay, this Ted Baker sweater. Look how pretty it is. It has gold buttons with the floral details in this really super soft, beautiful pink collar. The back is solid. It says it's a size 1, and I would say, I'm sure that Ted Baker is vanity sizing, but I would say that's a size extra small or small. Okay, just a few more things in here. Okay, Laylis, brand new with tag, which is a Nordstrom brand. It's like a boxy fit, rib knit tan sweater. This would be good for transitioning into spring. I love the balloon sleeve on it too. Okay, the last thing. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? It's velvet. You guys, velvet is selling so well right now. Nordstrom, size small. Okay, brand new with tags. It is a high neck, long sleeve, gorgeous black velvet shirt, nice and boxy fit, perfect for the holidays. I need to get this up right away. So all these things that you see here, I'll be listing next week, had been $59. You guys, please go and see Amy. Her name is Amy Spencer. Get Dressed, the number 4, 4 less. Run it all together. She's on Facebook, so that's how you can find her. I really do highly recommend this company. I've used her a few times. We done a giveaway on our PFF group, and people absolutely loved it. They had a blast with me unboxing the things. They were so excited to enter and win. So I got this for me to list. I have a second box, so you guys will see that next Saturday. I hope to see you there. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.